Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I am going to be doing a first impression on the Beauty monthly subscription box Glossybox. Now I actually reached out to them because number one, I've never properly tried a beauty subscription box before, and number two, their May box seemed really interesting. I know there's a Korean beauty brand that's inside of this box, so a Korean beauty product, and this really appealed to me even more because you guys know I love skincare products and I especially love Korean beauty brands and just Asian skincare brands in general, and just trying out new and exciting things. So the thing that drew me towards Glossybox especially is the fact that you receive 5 full or deluxe size samples within the monthly subscription box, and they do also work with some pretty impressive skincare brands as well. But this box is not only skincare, you can receive everything from makeup to nail polish, skincare to hair care as well. So there's 2 ways that you can sign up for this box. The first option is you can just pay a one-off fee just for 1 month subscription, and that is £10 plus P&P, which is £3.25. Or you can sign up for their new 12-month plan, so the box will be £8.50 a month, including the £3.25 P&P. Okay, so let's dive into this month's box, which Glossybox very kindly sent to me. This is the May subscription box, and every month each box has a theme around it, and the May one is called Trending Beauty. This is what it looks like when it comes to your door, and it comes in this beautiful black Glossybox packaging. And then inside you'll find the prettiest box ever, which is the actual box with all the products in. And this is in the signature Glossybox pink. So the box is actually really nice because you can reuse it for other stuff. You guys know I love organising, so I will definitely be using this to store stuff in as well. And this is what it looks like out of its packaging. Right, I'm excited to open this up because I don't actually know what exactly is in the box, and we're actually gonna demo everything as well, so I can give a live first impression on my thoughts on each of the products that I do try. So let's take a peek inside. In here you get a little leaflet which I think tells you everything about each product that's inside, and then it's beautifully packaged with this black ribbon, and then there's pink tissue paper behind it. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. I really love the pink and black. This is what is in the box. So let's read to you what it says inside the leaflet. So it says, "Hey Glossies, we're embracing high-end beauty trends this month. From mineral makeup to Korean beauty and sustainable skincare, we've curated a trending beauty edit featuring all the products you need to stay on vogue. Our May box is filled with 5 full-size products, including makeup must-haves, front-running skincare and award-winning nail care. This month we've also partnered with Remington. If you find a golden ticket in your box, you're the lucky winner of their latest hairstyling tool, the Curl and Straight Confidence 2-in-1 Straightener." I really kind of don't want to open this. I'm going to try and slip everything out because it's so beautifully packaged. The first thing we have is the Barry M Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit. This is what it looks like inside. So it has a mirror and then 6 cream contour shades. Now I'm not actually a fan of contouring, but I do like cream and liquid products in the summer, so maybe I'll use a couple of these as bronzers and highlighters. Okay, I see a nail polish. You know I love a good nail polish. This is by the brand Nailberry, and it's a gorgeous blush pink called Love Me Tender. So I've never actually heard of this brand. but you do get a full size again. This is 15 mils. It's actually cruelty free as well. This says, meet the next generation of state-of-the-art nail polish, part of Nailberry's revolutionary Oxygen range. This multi-award-winning nail polish uses patent technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour quality. Next we have this Aftermask Vitamin Serum by the brand Mudmasky. This is an extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting and nourishing pH balance serum. It's also paraben free and has natural ingredients, and this is 30 mils of product. So it says this serum is at the forefront of an up and coming beauty trend, the first skincare product in the world especially designed to be used after a face mask. Next we have something from the brand called Beauty Kitchen, and this is called Natruline lip treatment. Beauty Kitchen have created this 0% petroleum sustainable lip treatment that is more effective and less greasy than petroleum jelly alternatives. Then the last thing, which I'm the most excited for because this is from a Korean beauty brand that I've never tried before, and this is from Dr.Jart. I've actually seen these, the packaging really catches my eye, and this is called the Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask. So I have the firming mask, and then there's also the Hydra mask, which you may get instead of this one. Right, so it's actually the evening now, and I'm gonna try out tonight the skincare products, and then tomorrow I'll try out the contour kit and also the nail polish. So first I'm going to start off with the product that I'm most looking forward to. So I'm going to open this up, and inside this is what you get. So you get your spatula and then sachets. There's also a little leaflet inside, so I guess tells you how to use it, but I was looking at and it already says how to use it on the side. It actually has a diagram. Right, there's no need to cut it because it actually has this little bit that you tear off. So I'm going to pop sachet 1 into the pot, and this is the Super Booster, and the benefits of this are that it removes dead skin cells, improves skin clarity and enhances radiance before your daily skincare routine. Doesn't actually smell of anything either. Let's go in with number 2, which is the firming liquid ampoule, and this is the instant firming boost, which improves elasticity and smooths fine lines. Right, let's put on the lid and give it a good old shake. Oh, it's really weird. You can't hear the liquid in it anymore. Right, so it's definitely mixed really quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this now. Beforehand, I did take off my makeup with some micellar water, and then I double cleanse with an oil and a gel cleanser. You actually get a decent amount of this. I still have quite a bit left. Now what it does say on the instructions is you do have to work quickly with this, so using the spatula you apply an even layer over the entire face within 2 to 3 minutes, avoiding the eyes and mouth. I think I'm going to leave this on for the maximum amount of time, which is 20 minutes. Let's see how easily this comes off. It felt really comfortable on the skin, but I can feel it has tightened and dried down into like this jelly rubber, like it says on the title formula. So I'm just gonna start peeling. Ooh. Okay, that came off a lot better than I thought it was going to. Almost in one piece, but I just have a couple of little bits. You can remove any excess with a damp cotton cloth or pad, and that is what I've just done. I've just gone over my face with a damp cloth, so I think I've got everything off. I would say initially after I've taken this mask off, my skin definitely feels soft and smooth, which is really nice. So I'm going to now go in with the Mudmasky Aftermask Vitamin Serum, which is obviously perfect to use right after any kind of mask. So I'm not sure it smells of anything initially, but I'm going to go ahead and pop a pea-sized amount all over my face. Feels really nice and it sinks into the skin straight away. Lastly, I wanted to try tonight the Beauty Kitchen Natruline lip treatment, and this moisturizes and protects your lips for up to 8 hours. So this is perfect to put on as a lip treatment overnight. I'm going to put a generous amount all over my lip, and when I do lip treatments or apply lip products at night, I do like to put it all over the lip and around the lip as well. So this feels really nice. It's a lovely thick lip balm. I think this lip treatment is great for travel, or maybe if you're sensitive to lots of products with fragrance in and things like that, and you just want something that's simple to moisturize your lips. I love the fact that this is British made and also natural. Okay, let's have a go at this Nailberry Oxygenated nail lacquer. As I mentioned before, this is a breathable nail polish in the colour Love Me Tender, and I would say this is a real deep blush pink. The brush is a nice thick brush, and it's actually a really long brush. I would say actually you could probably get away with one coat, but I am going to put 2 coats on just because that's what I usually do. I do also have a base coat on. Wanted to show you this again before I put the top coat on so you can see how glossy it is. I love the formula of this. I definitely want to discover more now from this brand and see what other colours they have. Right, let's try out this Barry M Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit. It does have a diagram on the back on how to use it, and I actually really love the fact that this comes with a nice large mirror. So first of all, I am going to chisel my cheekbones. I'm actually just going to put this where I usually put bronzer, and then maybe if I need a bit more, I'll probably just add some bronzer, a light dusting of bronzer on top to set it. I'm going to go ahead and use the lightest shade here with this stippling brush. I usually start up here and I kind of just blend it out. Then I'm just going in with a damp sponge just so it blends out evenly. I really like this actually. It's lovely and natural, and it's not orange at all, and it blends out well. Then I'm going to go in with the lighter shade to finish, and I'm just going to get a little bit on my finger and just dab it under my eyes, and then I'm going to blend out with a small damp sponge. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit more and just put it over my Cupid's bow. And then the leftover I'm just going to wipe across the tip of my nose and blend that out as well. Okay, I actually really like this. It's super natural and it's buildable. I love the 2 lighter shades. I think they're perfect for my skin tone, and you do get a decent amount of product in here. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Overall, I'm super impressed by Glossybox, especially for how much you get in a box for the price. I think also this is a really great and fun way to try out not only new brands but new products as well. So if you are interested in discovering more about the May Glossybox, then definitely go and check it out with the link down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. And also thank you to Glossybox for gifting me this box and letting me try out these products. I really enjoyed using them all and just trying new and different things, and I will look forward to now seeing you in my next video. I hope you have a great rest of the week, guys, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.